Hello, Kimera Hashiv and you. It's Misha Joseph. Agus Hami ek oper ag an tai and you. Hami ek oper ag an tai and you. I'm working at home. Ac oper. I'm working at home. Avil oper acet? Avil oper acet. Do you have a job? Avil oper acet. Do you have a job? J an oper a hacket. J an oper a hacket. What's your job? J an oper a hacket. In Gaelic, for jobs, we usually say it is the job that's in me. You can say, for example, Hami teacher, I am a teacher. You can say probably is Misha teacher, but it's not so common. The best way to say it is to use the Gaelic construction of it is a teacher that's in me. It is a teacher that's in me. Now you've heard me saying is Misha, I am, and you've heard me talking about my little cat as well, is or ish as some people say, okay? But we can contract that simply to she. It is. She teacher. She teacher, it is teacher. She teacher. She teacher a hanam. It is a teacher that's in me. She teacher a hanam. It is a teacher that's in me. She teacher a hanam. So you only need she, then your profession, and hanam. She teacher a hanam. And then you have it. Now, you need to be careful. This sentence is very straightforward. She teacher a hanam. But if you change this sentence, or if I take teacher out and put it in another kind of a sentence, I'd have to be careful of those rules about lenition, because if I put an H after the T, it becomes hitcher. She do hitcher a hanam. She do hitcher a hanam. It is your teacher that is in me. And that means I am your teacher. I am your teacher. So you can hear there that in that second example, it becomes hitcher, because after do, I need to put in the extra H. So, she teacher a hanam, she do hitcher a hanam. Let's try again. Hello, Kimera Hashiv and you. It's Misha Joseph. Agus Hami ek oper ag an tai and you. She teacher a hanam. She do hitcher a hanam. Avil oper acet. Avil oper acet. Do you have a job? J an oper a hacket. J an oper a hacket. What's your job?